welcome back to Jazz Kitchen. Tonight I've decided to cook my family a quick and easy vegetable in coconut milk, sorry. In Indonesia we call it sayur masak lemak. Now with the vegetable ingredient, you are more than welcome to use any type of vegetable, but tonight I'm going to use the hard tofu. I buy the tofu in the supermarket or Chinese supermarket, and also I bought tempeh. Tempeh is a traditional Indonesian chickpea with let me see, sorry, is an organic chickpea and linseed tempeh. So you can buy this. I bought this in Woolworth, but you can buy it anywhere in a Chinese supermarket. They have it as well. So I've got tofu. I've got a packet of tempeh. I use a quarter of cabbage, a fresh cabbage. That's the vegetable. For the ingredient, I'm going to blend 3 to 4 small-sized onion, 3 to 4 medium-sized garlic, turmeric, fresh turmeric. If you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use turmeric powder. I used about 10 to 12 fresh chilies, 1 long lemongrass. I crush it. Ginger, maybe about 2 inches of ginger. And finally, this is a turmeric leaf. I won't blend it in. I will use it while I cook all the ingredients. And I also have a tamarind puree that I'll be using, 270 ml coconut milk, just salt and pepper and sugar. That's just the basic one, and also a bit of water. So to start off the ingredient, I'll be blending the onions, the garlic, the ginger, the turmeric and the chilies all together, and I will add a little bit of water. Just gonna blend this now. Sorry for the noise. Okay, looks like it's really smooth. So to start off with, turn on the pan, the oven, sorry. Put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use any type of oil. Today I'm using a virgin olive oil. The oil is quite hot, so you can fry the ingredient through. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put in the ingredients. Sorry about that. Already can smell all the garlic, ginger, and especially the turmeric. I love using fresh turmeric instead of the powdered turmeric, but like I said, if you can't find them in the shop, you can always use the powder. Smells so good. Put a little bit of water just to make sure all the ingredient is there. But I will add it up later, guys. Just gonna shake it. I'll add it up later. Now I'm gonna add in the lemongrass and also the turmeric leaf. Turmeric leaf, you can find it in any Chinese supermarket. Fry them about at least 5 minutes so that all the ingredients soak through the oil. What I'm gonna add now, guys, is just a little bit of tamarind puree, maybe 1 teaspoon. If you needed more, you can add more later. Just fry them first. I'm just gonna add in some salt. Maybe 1 tablespoon of salt. Just half a teaspoon of sugar. And I'll just mix it all up. Add the water and I just let it simmer for about 1 or 2 minutes. First thing I will use is the tofu. I'll put in the tofu. Fry the tofu. Woo! Can smell the chili. I always put a lot more chili, but because this is a family dish, they can't tolerate the chili like I do, so I just put a little bit chili, not too much. Now I'm going to add in the tempeh. Just mix it all up. This recipe is from Jess Kitchen's recipe. I just make up my own. Sometimes when I miss home food cooking from Indonesia, I just make up a recipe and just cook it by myself, just to try whether it tastes nice. And a lot of my friends love it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. The next thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to add in the coconut milk. Some water just to take the leftover. I do not like to waste the coconut, so I'm just going to put some water so that I can just clean all the coconut that is stuck to the coconut can. There you go. Smells so good. Okay, now you just stir them and let it simmer for about 5-6 minutes until the coconut is boiling. Alright, looks like the coconut milk is simmering away. Now just taste it, guys. Sometimes it's lack of salt or tamarind or sugar you can add. So I'm just gonna taste it to see. Oh, so delicious. But I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt. Maybe about another 1 teaspoon of salt. Another half of a teaspoon of sugar. And just a little bit more tamarind puree. Just a little bit more. In Indonesia, we put it with pate and you eat them with a hot rice, fried chicken, and this vegetable lemak. Oh, it's just amazing. Now this dish is a full vegan dish, no animal product at all. So those of you who love vegan dishes, please follow my recipe. Alright, so it looks like the coconut is simmering for at least 5-6 minutes. I'm going to add the cabbage. Okay. I am so hungry now, guys. I'm just gonna simmer it again for another 3-4 minutes and then it's ready to cook. It's very quick and easy, guys. Alright. just gonna mix it all together. You can close the pan or you can leave it open, doesn't matter. Alright, and just let it simmer for another 4-5 minutes, okay? Alright guys, I think now the cabbage is already cooked. Oh, smell divine. One last thing you need to do is taste. Make sure it's enough salt, enough sugar, enough sourness of the tamarind. Perfect. Alright, now I'm gonna turn it off and that's it. You just serve it with a hot rice. I'm just gonna taste it. Put the sauce. When you dish out the vegetable, the coconut vegetable, please take out the turmeric leaf, throw it away in a bit, and also the lemongrass. Okay, my mouth is already watering, so I'm just gonna try it. It's so good. Now this is a quick and easy recipe for any vegan people out there. It's Jess Kitchen Sayur masak lemak. It's in the Indonesian version. The English is just coconut, vegetable in coconut chili sauce. Now if you do enjoy the video, please press like and don't forget to subscribe to Jess Kitchen. Thanks guys, bye!